Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Spanish Town Road and we're going to look at the progress that's being done with the road renovation project. Now this road renovation project has two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Now, they're totally different, two different contractors. So phase 1 is a lane of pipes, and that's being done by Water Commission. And what happens now is the areas off this road, a lot of residential areas. On the right is a Riverton area, on the left is the Washington Gardens area. As you go further down, you have Olympic Gardens, you have West Kingston. As you get closer to downtown Kingston, you have Tavares Gardens, a lot of communities. You have Trenchtown, you have Arnett Gardens. A lot of very large communities are off this road. Remember, this road runs all the way from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston. Okay, so the pipes that were originally laid were old, and they were just inadequate to provide those communities with water. So the government decided to change out the pipes to modern pipes, to bigger pipes, to help with the flow of water into these communities. So that's what's being done in phase 1. Water Commission is changing out the pipes. And of course, you know, Water Commission will tell you themselves they don't walk with asphalt. So it's not their job to fix back the road. However, they have done something. You can see on the left where the road was clearly dug up. Water Commission tried their best to do what they can do. So phase 1 is a lane of the pipes, and that is practically 90% finished, because according to Water Commission now, the pipes are laid and they're just testing them now with the pressure, etc., to make sure everything is okay. So you can see the state of the road. This is typical of how a road looks when Water Commission is finished with it. So phase 2 now is, remember, two completely different projects. A contractor is going to come in now and fix this road up, pave it, put in the white lines, very similar to what Washington Boulevard looks like. I don't think they're going to put in the concrete barricades like what a Constant Spring Road has, but the contractor will come in now and pave the road and fix it up, everything that needs to be done to complete it and to get the road into a more usable state. So both the contractor and the government want the okay from Water Commission, 100% sure everything is working before they start to renovate the road for phase 2, because they don't want the problem to occur where they pave the road and then Water Commission has to dig it up to fix a pipe. They don't want that to happen, and unfortunately that happens way too often. So they're just waiting. The contract has been awarded, everything is in place. They're just waiting on Water Commission to say yes, the pressure tests are done, everything is fine. And another problem with the laying of these pipes is you lay the pipe, everything is great, it works, and then all of a sudden the pressure that Water Commission can adjust through the pipes, it changes, and then the pipes burst, even though it was working before. So Water Commission is, as they say, is about 90% finished. They're just doing the pressure tests to make sure they have the right pressure and to make sure everything works, and then this road will be paved and fixed. So it's a very nice project. This was needed because when you're coming into Kingston or leaving Kingston and you want to get to downtown Kingston, which is the second busiest place in Jamaica, this is the road you would take. And straight ahead, where this is a double overpass. This is like the most advanced road network in Jamaica. There is no other double overpass in Jamaica. And it was built at this location because The intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, where we're going to go over the overpass, is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So this overpass was built. The road we're on is a Spanish Town Road overpass. The one above it is the Hagley Park Road overpass. So this overpass was built to help with the flow of traffic. So if you want to get into Kingston and head to downtown, this is the road you would take. And as we said earlier, thousands of people live in these communities of Spanish Town Road. Thousands. And it leads you into downtown Kingston. So it's a very important roadway. So that's why it's going to be 6 lanes. As you can see, this is typical of how Water Commission leaves a road. But we're not going to knock them because I guess it's not their job to fix the roads. But they had to fix the pipes so that these communities could get the proper water supply. So hopefully it shouldn't take very long to fix this road, to pave it, because there is no bridge that needs to be built. There is nothing. The pipes are laid, so it's basically just putting down the asphalt and of course painting it, and hopefully they'll put in the stoplights to help with the flow of traffic. But this is another very good project that the government has undertaken. It was needed, and well done. I have to say the government is doing an excellent job in fixing these roads. When this road is finished, you can drive from Mandela Highway all the way to downtown Kingston on very good roads. I would say highway quality roads. See, they're putting in the sidewalk. So as we said, you notice there is no more really, how would you say now, the Water Commission vehicles. You notice you don't see them because, as they said, all the pipes are laid. It's just to do the pressure test to make sure they work okay. And I guess they're giving it a few weeks or days to make sure those pipes don't burst and there is no problem. Also, when the contractor comes in to pave the road, they're going to work on the drains. So, okay, here you can see on the left. So they'll pave the road and put in proper drainage or additional drainage. Alright, so this is Spanish Town Road. If we continued all the way to the end of this road, we would go into downtown Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like the update on the project. And we'll keep you updated in future videos as the phase 1 is completed and phase 2 starts. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.